Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida Notary Public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. We've got a lot of dirt and saws and all kinds of stuff going on over here in this area, but as I always do say, construction is always the most important part. Now, alright, so this is the Coronado 3. Got a lot of construction in the area. Let's go in and have a look. So the Coronado 3D, so that's probably the elevation 3. The 5 beds, 4 bathrooms, a flex room, bonus room, 2-car garage, 3,533 square feet. It looks very nice. As soon as I walked in, I was kind of not expecting it to feel so spacious, but with this room over here being so open, it is. And, you know, this kind of room over here, I wonder if there's an option to, like, you know, have this more closed off or not. We're at Connerton. Land O'Lakes, I believe it's Land O'Lakes, Florida. Nice sized pantry. You can see all the water they have stored. Boy, this is big. Now, you know, before you're thinking that this house is going to come standard with this kind of island, you know, think again. This is always like that, you know, super upgrade. I mean, look how much countertop space that is. This is great for somebody that has like a cooking business for sure. If you have a cooking business, this is the island for you. And this as well. So not only that, your lanai is a big one. Boy, it's squeaky. Squeaky floor. Very nice. You have a full shower. Beautiful tile. Look at that. MI Homes always really heavily upgrades their models. So just, you know, keep that in mind. And this is obviously some kind of master bedroom on the first floor. There's no doubt about it. This is a big one. The HVAC closet's in here. What? Let me see something. Yep. It's in here. That's interesting. Interesting place to put it. I've never seen that. Well, to be honest, it might be a good thing for people that like to sleep with like a fan sound. I like to sleep with like a fan kind of sound. And, you know, that might help a bit. In the bathroom. So yeah, so this is kind of like its own like ensuite, so to speak. Beautiful kitchen, living room, and dining room. Let's see what we have down here. So this, what is this? What would this be? The laundry room, maybe? Oh, storage under the stairs. That's interesting. This is beautiful. Look at this. Now the ceiling is probably like 8 foot. And you can see they did the tray ceiling over here. So I wonder if there's an option to just make the entire ceiling, I guess what would that be? How many feet? 9 or 10? This is nice. Wow, very nice. What is this, a bathroom? What's going to be over here? Yeah, a bathroom. I have to turn this around. I'm going to turn myself around. So there's a bedroom off of the loft. I guess I'm gonna go straight. As you can tell, I have not seen this model yet. And if I have seen it, it's been a very long time, but I don't think so. And here is a bathroom. You got your dual sinks and your shower. Very nice model, very upgraded. These look really nice, just the overall color of them. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so this must be like the master bedroom. Wow. You can look outside, look at that. Big closet, jeez. Another closet. And the toilet in the closet room. Yeah, this is a beautiful house. What is this over here? Is this HVAC? Yeah, HVAC. Wow, how many are in this house? 3? I guess there's 3 units. What do we have here? Trust me, I'm a scientist. Let's look out the window. Yeah, there's a lot of these big homes in the area. So let's walk out and talk about this house. What do I think? It's a beautiful house. This is a really, really beautiful house. The overall floor plan just feels so different. It does. It just feels really unique, very well spaced. Like where all the bedrooms are, everything just feels so nicely spaced around here. Nothing feels cramped. And it just seems like a floor plan that's a very good floor plan, like very flexible. So depending on the needs of the buyer, because downstairs we had that bedroom, and like over here, we kind of have this one room off the loft. I really like this house. This might be my favorite house all year. But I think that it would feel better with the whole ceiling being up higher, like the way this section of the tray ceiling is. That's really the only thing. Because again, you know, this feels just so spacious, and I just want to walk over here again. Because this is where that first floor bedroom was, which I wasn't sure if this was going to be the master bedroom, because, you know, this is a very big bedroom. Very big. We got the bathroom over here. A house like this also feels like it's made for like people that want to put a pool in the back of the house. You got this huge lanai. And then of course, for people that like to cook, I mean, you could have this amazing kitchen. It's a nice house. Okay, thank you for watching. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. I hope you have a fantastic day. Prior to being a realtor, I purchased a house without a realtor and then with a realtor who had no construction training, no construction certification. And I can tell you that it's extremely important to have a realtor with construction certification. Here's how to get my service paid for by the